Ready to transform your body with dumbbell deadlift variations. Picture this. You're at the gym, ready to crush your workout, and you're searching for a full body exercise that can help you build strength, improve your posture, and burn calories. Look no further than the dumbbell deadlift, a versatile and effective exercise that targets multiple muscle groups and can be easily adapted to suit your fitness level and goals. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of incorporating dumbbell deadlift variations into your fitness routine and provide you with the knowledge to perform them safely and effectively. So, let's dive in and learn how to transform your body with dumbbell deadlifts. The dumbbell deadlift is a compound exercise that primarily targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. However, it also engages your core, upper back, and grip muscles, making it an excellent choice for a full body workout. By incorporating variations of the dumbbell deadlift into your routine, you can target different muscle groups, prevent boredom, and continually challenge your body as you progress in your fitness journey. One of the primary benefits of the dumbbell deadlift is its accessibility. Unlike barbell deadlifts, which require a significant amount of weight and equipment, dumbbell deadlifts can be performed with minimal equipment and space. This makes them an ideal choice for those who work out at home or have limited access to gym facilities. Additionally, dumbbell deadlifts allow for a more natural and comfortable grip, reducing the risk of injury and making them more approachable for beginners. Before we dive into the variations, it's essential to understand the proper form for a standard dumbbell deadlift. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing your thighs. Hinge at your hips and bend your knees slightly, lowering the dumbbells along the front of your legs. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted as you lower the weights towards the ground. Once the dumbbells reach mid-shin level, engage your glutes and hamstrings to push your hips forward and return to a standing position. Remember to maintain a neutral spine and avoid rounding your back throughout the movement. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some dumbbell deadlift variations that can help you take your fitness to the next level. 1. Staggered stance deadlift. This variation targets one leg at a time, increasing the challenge and improving your balance. Stand with one foot slightly in front of the other, with the majority of your weight on your front foot. Perform the deadlift as described above, focusing on engaging the glute and hamstring of your front leg. 2. Romanian deadlift. This variation places a greater emphasis on the hamstrings and lower back. Begin with the dumbbells at thigh level and hinge at the hips, keeping your legs straight but not locked. Lower the dumbbells until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Then engage your glutes and hamstrings to return to the starting position. 3. Sumo deadlift. This variation targets the inner thighs and glutes. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Hold the dumbbells in front of your body with your palms facing you. Lower the dumbbells to the ground by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Push through your heels and engage your glutes to return to the starting position. 4. Single leg deadlift. This advanced variation challenges your balance, coordination, and stability. Stand on one leg, holding a dumbbell in the opposite hand. Hinge at the hip and lower the dumbbell towards the ground while extending your non-weight-bearing leg behind you. Keep your back straight and your core engaged as you lower the weight. Return to the starting position by engaging your glute and hamstring on the standing leg. Now that you're equipped with these dumbbell deadlift variations, it's time to put them into practice. Incorporate them into your workout routine. And don't forget to like, comment, And subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Remember, consistency and dedication are the keys to success. So stay committed to your fitness journey, and you'll see incredible results. Happy lifting!